Today, we're going to talk about some fun team-building exercises that can really bring your group together and foster unity in a way that feels natural and engaging. First up is the classic scavenger hunt. Divide your team into smaller groups and give them clues leading to various items around the office or even outside. This activity promotes teamwork, communication, and problem-solving skills while having lots of fun. Next, let's talk about the trust fall exercise. In this one, participants take turns falling backward and being caught by a teammate. It helps build trust within your team because everyone relies on each other to be safe. Make sure to brief them on safety precautions before starting. Another great option is the two truths and a lie game. Each person shares 3 statements about themselves, 2 of which are true and 1 that's false. The group then tries to guess which statement isn't true. This exercise helps everyone learn more about each other in a fun way and breaks down barriers between team members. For something physically active, consider setting up an obstacle course or relay race. These types of activities get people moving together toward a common goal, boosting morale and unity as they work through challenges as a cohesive unit. Lastly, don't forget the importance of simply sharing meals together. Organize a potluck where everyone brings a dish to share. Sitting down for a meal together is a great way to bond and connect on a more personal level while enjoying some delicious food. These team-building exercises can help strengthen relationships and create a more unified team environment, making your group stronger overall.